This isn't just a new iPhone utopia. This is Apple doubling down on camera performance.
Even the front camera is pro-level, built for clarity, accuracy, and secure Face ID. Apple's Pro chip and camera system work together for faster processing and better results.
Apple's Pro chip and camera system work together for faster processing and better results.
This is the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple's compact Pro model focused on performance, display quality, and cameras. The phone uses a flat glass front and back with a precision-engineered metal frame.
Apple equips the iPhone 17 Pro with a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. The balanced weight gives the device a solid feel without becoming tiring to hold.
Its compact Pro dimensions make it comfortable to use with one hand throughout the day.
The display resolution is 2022 by 1206 pixels for sharp visual detail. With roughly 460 pixels per inch, text and images appear crisp and clear. ProMotion enables adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz for smoother.
The display reaches up to 1,000 nits typically and up to 2,000 nits outdoors. HDR content can peak at up to 1,600 nits for enhanced highlights and contrast.
Performance is powered by Apple's A-series Pro chip, designed for efficiency and sustained speed.
The CPU focuses on consistent long-term performance rather than short benchmark spikes.
The GPU improves gaming stability and visual performance during demanding tasks. On-device neural processing supports photography, system intelligence, and private AI features. High-capacity unified memory allows smoother multitasking and faster app switching. Apple offers Pro-level storage options of 512 GB, starting from higher base capacities. The 48-megapixel main camera captures detailed photos with natural color reproduction. A 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera captures broader scenes with improved edge detail. The 12-megapixel telephoto camera provides optical zoom without heavy quality loss. Apple's image processing emphasizes natural tones, balanced exposure, and controlled sharpening. Video recording benefits from strong stabilization and Apple's consistent color science. The 12-megapixel front camera supports clear selfies, video calls, and Face ID. Battery capacity is around 3,700 mAh, optimized for efficiency. Fast wired charging reaches about 50% in roughly 30 minutes.
Overall, iPhone 17 Pro delivers compact design with true pro-level performance and cameras.